What's going on, guys? Sergeant Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you how to install Steam to Linux Ubuntu. This version is 20.041, I believe. And then the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and go over to the Ubuntu software page, and that's going to bring you here. You're going to go ahead and click the search bar up here, and you're going to type in Steam, and then you're going to click Steam Installer. You're going to go ahead and click Install. You're going to enter your password, and then it's going to go ahead and install. Then when it's done installing, you can go ahead and close that window, and then you can go to the Show Application, and then you're going to scroll down until you see Steam and double click it. Going to go ahead and update it, which usually doesn't take that long. Once the installation is done, it might do a few passes because the Steam launcher or the Steam software in the Ubuntu software page probably it doesn't have an updated version, so it has to update it. So you can go ahead and log in, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. So it looks like a lot of these games are supported on Steam. It'll tell you if it's available because it'll be grayed out, but I know Gary's mod is. Thank you guys for watching the video. This is how to install Steam to the Ubuntu platform. I will be doing videos on how to install it to other versions of Linux and a lot of other software. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.